Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So this video would be an unboxing and first impression video of the Glamego May box. Now if you want to know my views on the different products that I received after using them for some time, I'll be posting a complete blog post on my blog. The link of my blog would be in the info box, so don't forget to check that. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel and want to see more of such videos, then do hit the red subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So Glamego is a monthly subscription box which costs $3.99 if you pay for just 1 month. But if you take the 12-month subscription, then every month the box costs around $2.99, which is really affordable, and you get around 4 to 5 products. Now let me show you the Glamego May box. Let's have a drum roll to how cute this box is. It has all these beautiful cartoon animals imprinted. The box is sturdy. Now when I open the box, they usually have a quotation here. So this quotation says, "She's like mommy bear, cuddle us like a cub. She's like mommy elephant, navigate us to light. She's like mommy tigress, protect us like a cub. Love you, mom." And I was actually planning to gift this to my mom on this Mother's Day, and I think I'll send her this box. So when I open the box, I see around 5 products. So the first product that I see in the box is a VOSTE nail enamel, and let me tell you, I'm a person who loves nude and pastel shades. I feel they are super apt for my everyday corporate job, and shades like this are one of my favorites. Now this is the shade 29 Coral Floral. It's a nude coralish kind of shade which I feel would be super apt for people from medium to fair skin tone, and I'll also show you how it looks like because I could not stop myself from applying the nail paint as soon as I saw it. Now the manufacturing date is mentioned, the expiry date is also mentioned, which is something that I like about cosmetics. The consistency of the nail paint is like a regular nail. About the longevity of the nail paint, I'll be mentioning that definitely in my blog post, so don't forget to check that. The next product that I see is a VOTRE, I don't know how to pronounce. It's a multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream, and this is the 30-gram packaging. Now packaging wise, it is a black simple plastic packaging, more towards the matte side. I won't say completely matte. And the key ingredients include vitamin E, vitamin K. There are a lot of chemical names, and in the brackets they have mentioned what those chemicals include, like vitamin C, vitamin E, a lot of vitamin. The manufacturing date and the expiry date is mentioned definitely. It's a vegan product because it has that green sign, and it says that it will regenerate your skin and delay the premature aging. It is also mentioned that it is for all skin types and an Ayurvedic product. Okay, so let's see how it smells. Okay, it smells like synthol. I was not expecting a synthol smell from an Ayurvedic product, but yes, it smells like synthol, absolutely. And let me check the consistency. Okay, so when I check the consistency, it is a thick cream, but it is definitely hydrating my skin well, which is something that I expect from night cream. And you can see my skin, it's like shining, glowing kind of, but it definitely hydrates the skin good. So first impression, I like the cream. I'll use it for some time, and then only I can say if it has shown any visible difference on my skin. So the next product that I see is a SEER Secrets Rambutan Dates and Licorice Lip Scrub. Now the packaging is a very, I can say, normal packaging. Now when I check the ingredients, it has raw cane sugar, almond oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, licorice extract, rambutan extract and date extract. I don't know what is licorice extract or rambutan extract, but the other products are definitely something that fascinate me, or something that I definitely look forward in every lip scrubber or lip balm. Now the manufacturing date is mentioned. The expiry date is also mentioned. So let's see how the product is. Okay, so when I open, it smells like raw mango. Okay, I wasn't expecting that because mango is nowhere mentioned. Okay, and the consistency wise, it is having quite big exfoliating particles. Yes, I feel like after the particles are all scrubbed away, it seems very smooth. So I think this is very apt for people who have dry lips or want to prepare their lips for matte or liquid lipsticks. Then you can try this. I think I'll definitely love it. Now the next product that I got is a Bella VOSTE Perfect Pouch Sheer Cream Lust Lipstick, and the weight of this is 4.2 gram. Now the manufacturing date and the expiry date is mentioned, and the price is $225. Okay, now the shade I got is 07. The outer packaging is a very normal, I would say, packaging, nothing fancy about that. But let me see the lipstick. Okay, so the lipstick also comes in this black packaging, which is glossy, nothing extraordinary about that. The shade is mentioned here, it's 07, the same as it was mentioned in the box. Now the click of the lipstick is definitely good, which I look forward in lipsticks, because if you carry them in your purse and they open up, then it's a mess. Okay, the color is really pretty. Oh my god, it's a cranberry red color, which I think would suit all skin tones. A universal color that I feel that every girl should definitely own. So it's creamy, definitely. It's not matte. It has that satin finish, and the color I'll show you. Now let's see if it smudges or not. It is definitely smudging a lot. So it is not at all transfer proof. It has smudged all together, and I'm not even expecting that it will last for a very long time. But I think I love this lipstick. I don't have a problem of reapplying such a beautiful shade in 2-3 hours, but it will transfer, it will smudge. So not a very high expectation from this lipstick, but let's see. I'll try it, because one thing is for sure, I love the shade. So the last product that I see in the box is this ACNES for pimple prevention pimple defense face wash. Now it is from the brand ROHTO, Osaka, Japan. It's a 50 gram product, quite a big packaging, I would say. It claims that it removes 99% acne causing germs, controls skin heat, and removes excess oil. It's a mentho cool. Okay, it seems like a medicine kind of face wash. And when I see the ingredient list, it has purified water, stearic acid, potassium hydroxide, lauric acid, cocamide, glycerol, propylene glycol, palmitic acid. Oh my god, I feel like I have been transported back to the organic chemistry class of mine. I am not sure if these chemicals are good for the skin or not, but it definitely seems like a very medicinal product, which has been made only for people who have acne and pimple. Now the product claims that it's a skin cooling face wash with oil absorbing and skin conditioning ingredients. It removes 99% pimple causing germs, and it is developed under Japanese technology to help preventing pimples by cooling down skin and making it oil free. So one thing I feel that if you're a person with very dry skin, then don't go for this face wash, because it is going to pull out all the oil from the skin so that the acne and pimple can be controlled. So I am really excited about the product. Let's see how it smells. It is a very mild smell. It is a cooling smell, I would say, very much like a peppermint or mint kind of smell. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and comment down below your favorite product from the box. I would love to know that. And with that, spread the smiles.